Loyal clients, crystal clear resorts. Your customers notice clean windows more than you think. We make sure they do. Loyal clients trust us because we treat every window like their reputation depends on it. A million arigato thanks to you, Dana, Roxanne, Brother David, and Brother Harry, for your continued trust, support, and encouragement. We are truly grateful not only for the opportunity to serve, but also for the relationships we have built along the way. Your confidence in our team inspires us to keep raising the standard and delivering our very best every single time. Praise God for loyal clients, dedicated teammates, and the privilege of serving our amazing Regina community. Clear windows, brighter businesses, stronger first impressions. Clean exterior panels don't just improve appearance. They protect your brand's first impression every single day. From dusty and weather-stained to bright and professional, because every client notices the outside before they see the inside. The cleanest buildings aren't built by chance. They are maintained with purpose, one panel at a time. Most people notice the sign. We notice the dirt behind it. That's the difference professional cleaning makes. Question number 1. When was the last time your building's exterior panels, signs, and entrance canopy received a professional cleaning? Question number 2. What creates a better first impression for your customers? A beautiful sign or a beautiful sign on a spotless building? We love clean panels, spotless glass, and happy clients. Need your building to stand out for all the right reasons? Call RSC Cleaning Inc. today at 306-535-4450. For your peace of mind, we leave no dirt behind. God bless everyone. Can you kindly like, share, and follow us? Big thanks in advance, and thanks for watching!